In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to Table View, which is one of the two main ways you can choose to interact with SRMS Online and will likely be your preference if you enjoy working with lists or tables. From the home page, Table View can be accessed either from the black menu bar at the top or from the Table View quick link in the middle of the page. Having clicked on Table View from the home page, you arrive on the Table View page. There are actually two different presentations of Table View, and the first we will look at is where you are viewing by locations. It should be obvious why it's called Table View. In this presentation, you will see that there is a table listing all the locations that you have access to in a separate row. These are either locations that you've created yourself directly on SRMS Online, or locations that have perhaps been shared with you by others. In the table, you're presented with key information about the location itself, including a location code, name, grid reference, and county. You can see the SRMS home range code, which has been assigned by the scheme. This is a code that is in a standard format and helps tie related locations together, such as alternative nest sites within the territory of a single pair of birds. You can see the species that the location is relevant to. You can see the type of location. Location types that may be listed include nest sites, observation sites, and study areas. You can see habitat information, together with more detailed information about the nest itself. The last column, visibility, tells you which other SRMS Online users are able to see and interact with the same location on SRMS Online. It's easy to work with these tables. You can sort the display order. You can also filter to find locations based on your knowledge. So here I've started typing in BA in the name field, and it has filtered out the locations with BA in their name. We'll now have a look at the alternative presentation of Table View. This is where you can see the locations listed by SRMS home ranges. So this time we can see the SRMS home range code assigned by the scheme, the relevant species, the location type, which in this table are all home ranges, and the last column tells us the number of locations making up the home range. If you click on the green list button at the end of the row, you get taken to another table. Here you can see the different individual locations that have been grouped together. So in this case, we have two rows. A row for the overarching home range location type, and another for a known nest site within the home range. If there were alternative nest sites within the same home range, I would expect to see them listed here. From either of the table views, you can interact with the locations to undertake actions, and we'll come back to look at these in further tutorials.